In previous lecture, we have studied about definition of set and representation of set. I have sent you assignment along with the answers. Hope you have done those questions. Now further, start to do NCERT. Here we will discuss few questions of exercise 1.1 which are related to previous lecture. Here are given question 1. You have to check whether given statement is a set or not a set. I have already told you set means collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined objects means what? If answer of each and every person is same, then you are collecting well-defined set. Here you have to collect questions in this chapter. It means if you count number of questions in this chapter, suppose these are 100 questions and another student's count, he also gave the answer 100 questions. I also counted, then I gave answer 100. It means what? You are, all are getting answer 100. It means the collection of questions is 100. Answer is same. That's why what? It is well defined. If it is well defined, it means this is a set. I have written here, yes, it is a set. Second statement, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Now, how will decide which animal is dangerous or which is not dangerous? Suppose one person is afraid of what? Dog, cat, lion. Person to person, answer will vary. If answer will vary, it means what? There is no well-defined collection of animals. That's why answer is no. That's the question number second. Here, one set is given to you, set A, having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are written in a roster form. Now you have to just find out the answer, insert the sign. I told you this is a sign of belongs to, or second one sign when a line cross it, that is a sign of does not belongs to. You have to put the sign in the questions. Now here is written 2 belongs to A. If this 2 element belongs to this set A, then I will write 2 belongs to A. Suppose it is asked 7, whether this 7 belongs to this set or not belongs to this set. You have to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is not there. It means what? 7 does not belongs to A. These two signs are used like this. 2 belongs to A, 7 does not belongs to A. If you want to know whether the element belongs to the set or not to the set. Now third question, write in roster form. Set is represented in two forms, roster as well as in set builder form. Here one form is given and you have to convert it into another form. Which form is given? Set builder form is given to you. You have to write down this statement into the roster form. D is any set having elements x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. You have to check number divides this 60 as well as that will be prime number. So you can find 2 is a prime number which can divide the 60, 3 is a prime number which can divide the 60, 5 again divide this 60 and it is a prime. Now 6 divides it, but 6 is not the prime. So what? You have to collect only prime numbers which divides the 60. So answer will be what? 2, 3, 5. Roster form. Because it is asked right in a roster form. So roster form will be what? Convert this whole rule into the number system form. Then you will get 2, 3, 5. This is the answer. Now in question number 4, write the set builder form. If roster form is given, how to convert it into a set builder form? First of all, you have to observe the given set, then find out under which rule it is written. you have to write down that rule in the set builder form. Now it is written here 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. First of all, check the pattern of this given set. 2, 4 is what? 2 square. What is 8? 2 cube. 16, 2 to the power 4. 34, 32, 2 to the power 5. It means what? What is going on? You can write it like this. X is a set of all elements such that X is equal to 2 to the power n, small n. And n belongs to capital N. I have told you what is capital N? Set of natural numbers. And this n is what? From 1 to infinite. You have to take in from 1 to 5. So what? You have to mention it. The value of n is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 5. Then it is complete. Because natural numbers are infinite, but you are using up to 5 only. So what? Set builder form is x is equal to 2 to the power n, and n belongs to natural numbers, and this n is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 5. In question number 5, I have written only one question which is little bit difficult for you. List all the elements of set B. X is the set of all elements. X is an integer. X greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2. X greater than minus half. What is the meaning of this? And less than 9 by 2. Just frame the number line. Frame the number line. 0 is here. Minus 1 is here. It means what? Minus half will be in the between of this. And 9 by 2 means what? 4.5. You can mention it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 4.5. Now integers between minus half and 9 by 2. What are the integers between? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have written here B is a set of elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements in the roster form. I hope you can understand how to write down the roster form and set builder form. You have to complete exercise from the NCERT 1.1. Then we will proceed for the next one exercise. Please complete it and report me whether you have completed or not in a comment box. Thank you. Thank you very much.